And now, back to birds on National Geographic. Birds are like regular animals, except that they can fly. And they have beaks.
Wow.
Birds are majestic creatures that fly through the sky and communicate with a series of chirping sounds. Chirp, chirp. One bird says to the other, "Fuck my wife," another says. They say the crow is about as smart as a 3-year-old. Or one Vin Diesel.
You ready, kid?
Look at this dumbass penguin. While birds of a feather may flock together, the penguin cannot because it cannot fly. What an asshole.
You ready, kid?
When birds want to fuck each other, they use their feathers like Bill Cosby uses pills. Allegedly. Cuck, cuck, cuck. Cuck, cuck, cuck. That's right. The sound a chicken makes. The noble chicken. A majestic creature that we consume on a near daily basis. Thank you for all that you do, Mr. Chicken. You truly are too good for this world. Here we see Larry Bird. While achieving great heights in a single jump, Larry Bird is also flightless, like the penguin. Sometimes I wish I was a bird so I could fly away. And also so I could fuck other birds.